Winter has arrived in full force. It is so moody and dramatic today. It is just flurrying all day long. My little Wolfie boy and I are going camping, solo camping. We have no build out. I have no heat source. It's gonna be well below freezing tonight. I don't actually really know where we're gonna go camping, where we're gonna sleep tonight, but we're just gonna let the adventure take us. This trip is made possible by Anker SOLIX. They have given me their all new C2000 Gen 2. I'm really excited to try it out. Sometimes I just need to get away. Just me, my dog, and my truck. Living in Colorado, I feel so spoiled that the mountains are right outside my front door, and I just need to take advantage of it. I've camped in so many different rigs with different setups over the years, and I've learned what works and what doesn't. My Land Cruiser isn't built out yet, so I've brought only my essential gear. I always bring my Anker SOLIX EverFrost cooler. It's multi-purpose and incredibly efficient. And my power source is the C2000 Gen 2. It has 2,048 watt hours of capacity with a 4,000 watt peak. This allows me to power any camping appliance I have with ease. I don't have to sweat it. I guess we're getting snow or sleet early, but I'll show you camp. I usually always bring my Anker SOLIX EverFrost cooler. This is great, and I always pull it out outside. It's super easy with the wheels, but it's my fridge, and then I usually just use it as my little table, and it's got a flip up cutting board section. It's great. So that usually stays outside with my chair. And then my cooking setup, I usually place on this tailgate because I have a little bit of cover. And then this is the power station that I took, the Anker SOLIX C2000 Gen 2. My first impression of this unit is that it fits neatly in my car without taking up too much space. I really appreciate how compact it is. The C2000 Gen 2 also has the lowest idle power consumption in its 2 kilowatt hour class, giving it an even longer runtime. Okay, well now that I'm mostly set up, why don't I give you a tour of the inside. This is Kenai's side of the truck. We've got his dog bed. We've got an extra blanket for him just in case. And then this is my side. I just have my twin folding mattress. I've got my book. I've got extra layers and my electric blanket. I do not have a heat source, so I brought that, and the Anker SOLIX C2000 should be able to handle that no problem. Even when I'm going to be charging my fridge overnight, I think we're going to be fine. We'll see. We officially have a break in the weather, so I'm just going to get to cooking. Tonight, we are making miso soup and a kimchi grilled cheese. This recipe, I can just put all of the ingredients in a jar, and then all we do is put boiling water on top of it. When I am car camping, the last thing I want to stress about is power. It's really a safety concern for me as a solo woman. This will give me way more than I need, so I don't even have to think about it. Speaking of just not wanting to worry, I am just gonna make my life easier and just use the electric kettle to boil water. I love being empowered to solo camp, just be out here all on my own. I think I love it because when I'm here, I am just fully present. I'm not worried about anything else. So I lasted about 10 minutes without turning on my heated blanket. Guys, it is so cold in here, and I've just put all the way up on high, and it fluctuates between pulling about like 20 watts, which is mostly just my phones, to 153. See, I have 11.9 hours remaining, so I feel like I can just keep this on all night and not worry about it. Well, good morning. It definitely snowed last night. Woke up and it was about 24 degrees, so pretty icy. I fell asleep with the heated blanket on and forgot to put a timer on it. Woke up in a dead panic, and I still have like 48% battery left. So my electric blanket was on high for like 5 hours last night, and we're good. Seeing that number when I woke up this morning, panicked that I ran out of power. It was like Christmas morning, tell you what. The smell of that, guys. Well, it's safe to say the C2000 Gen 2 is 100% my new go-to power bank. And remember, they are having their best pricing of the entire year right now for their Black Friday Cyber Monday sale. So go ahead and click the link down below in my video description to get one for yourself or get someone on your holiday list. Oh my gosh, this is a banging gift, guys. It is never too late to start living the life you really want to live. Empower yourself with the gear that will actually get you there. Anker SOLIX. Live in power.